Hey everyone, it's Joe and
Michael
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins, shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. It's an epic unboxing.
Couldn't help yourself, could you?
Dynamics. What are we doing?
We're doing an epic unboxing.
All right, of what?
Of the completer coin.
Completer coin. Fair enough.
I'm looking for confirmation because I keep getting this right.
It is the Queen's Beasts 2-ounce completer coin.
That's right. In this one, and in this one we've got something slightly different, a combination of things.
Might be something that we're not quite sure of as well. A little surprise, something in there, I think.
So I think I know what it is, but we'll find out.
Let's go.
Let's start ripping into it.
Let's talk about what the blazes is a completer coin.
So the Royal Mint in the UK did a series of coins called the Queen's Beasts.
Yep.
This is the final one in that series. So,
and as the name suggests, it completes the set, hence the completer coin. That is great information.
Completes that series of stuff.
Yeah. Let's get into this thing. Looking good.
Ripping in paper everywhere.
Oh. I love the Royal Mint boxes. They're great.
They do a great job.
The black comes out really nice, and they're just sort of black and white. That is nice. Oh, let's just get it out and open the damn thing. Look at the box holder. The completer, now 2-ounce coin.
It is a 2-ounce silver coin.
Yep.
We don't see many 2-ounce coins this year. It's been a bit of a bum year for that.
Going to, because they are in tubes, they are not going to be in capsules.
They are not.
And they will not be provided in capsules, as far as I'm aware.
As far as we're aware, we're not. Ruben's going to shoot me. We actually do have some 2-ounce capsules kicking around out the back. So there's this really faint possibility that they might fit this, but
did you hear that? He literally just fainted.
He did a runner on me. I think he might have resigned. These are a beautiful coin.
All right. Let's put one just on the top. Oh, well, actually, we'll keep it in your gloved hand. And there'll be some additional footage.
Oh, I've got to get some B-roll of this.
You got to say the word B-roll.
I know.
You have to say the word B-roll, don't you?
Because it upsets the locals.
Just to annoy Ruben. You know what? With my fancy work here, you may not even need the B-roll.
Oh, mate. That B-roll is sensational.
I got to say, Ruben does a really good B-roll.
He does.
B-roll, B-roll, B-roll.
So does Matt. Matt does great B-roll.
He does too. Does great B-roll. All right, let's turn. Sorry, guys. Sorry, Matt. Sorry, Ruben. Beautiful. Okay, and of course, Her Maj. It is not Majless. This coin, not Majless. Of course, because it's from the Royal Mint. Worth a whopping, look at that, £5.
What would you expect for 2 ounces of silver?
Exactly. It's worth a whopping £5. So let's go back again to the side that we really want to see. And
it's sticking to the corner.
What you'll notice here is, again, it's got an effigy of Her Maj in the middle, but it's
they are royal beasts.
They are royal beasts. They're the Queen's Beasts, and it's listing, or it's a picture of every single one in the set, as you can see, just going around the edge there. So beautiful, and the additional footage will show that up absolutely beautifully. Can I get a side view, please? Can I have a look at this on the side, just because it is a 2-ounce. I love the thickness of a 2-ounce.
Yeah, they're nice and chunky.
Yeah, that is so cool. Oh no, what are we doing?
But it'll show it off really nicely with some B-roll, won't it, Rubes? So, dum dum dum.
Oh no!
It fits. It fits. Look, it doesn't rattle.
Okay.
Actually, that fits really well.
That does fit really well. Okay.
Far better than I expected. And now I can't open the flipping thing. So one of them comes in a capsule, at least.
You've made some soft promises here. How many capsules do we have? Do we have enough to cover a couple of boxes, or what?
No, I don't think we do. So look, if you order,
how many in a tube?
Oh, that's an excellent question.
Yeah.
There are 10 coins per tube, 20 tubes per box.
Yeah.
Look, if you're ordering 1, 2, we'll try and put them in. I'm not guaranteeing capsules. Okay,
yeah.
Let's just get that straight out, because I actually don't know how many capsules I've got.
Sure.
I will try and throw in a capsule. At least we will try and encapsulate at least one.
Okay.
Unless you're buying in tubes. You know, I'm not going to pull one out and break a tube and that sort of thing. But if you're buying 2 or 3, we'll try and make sure one of them's in a capsule, because that way you can show the kids and they're not going to put their sticky fingers on the coin or anything along those sort of lines.
Fair point.
But I'm not buy them expecting not to get any capsules, and you won't be disappointed.
And you'll be happily surprised if you do.
Yeah.
Fantastic. All right, so that is...
Although, which one of these is missing one? I'm pretty sure it's that one,
let's
but I will check it later.
We'll be fine. So how many in total have we received?
It looks like 600.
Okay.
So I don't think there's anything other than... Do you want to... Have I got time to open them really quickly? Just to confirm?
Course. Yeah, absolutely.
Just make sure, because the last couple of unboxings we've done, we've gone through later and gone, oh, bother, we missed one. So I don't feel confident anymore.
Mate, we've got all the time in the world here at Bullion Now during lockdown.
Lockdown.
Lockdown number 5.1.
Oh, dear. Will we get out on Tuesday?
That is a great question. What's your thoughts?
Well, up until I saw the numbers for today, I would have said no. But the numbers today look semi-promising. Okay. So I think we'll get some form of release, but I'm not guaranteeing what that will be.
What's that?
That is the same coin.
Are you sure? Because last time we thought it was...
It's a 2 ounce.
2 ounce, okay.
So I'm fairly confident that these are all the same.
Okay.
So I got a new knife.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Michael, is that a new knife?
That is a new knife.
Oh, wow. Thanks for reminding me to ask you.
But not the final knife. I'm looking, if we've got any knife makers out there, I'm looking for a knife to do the unboxing, something a little special.
Can we get like a Bullion Now handle branded?
That'd be cool, wouldn't it?
Great, wouldn't it?
That'd be excellent. Yep, these are 2 ounce. So they are all the same. We've got 600 of them in stock.
Fantastic.
And then we've got this little box to open.
Okay. This one I'm very intrigued about.
So if you're a knife maker, contact us.
We're not joking, we're actually serious.
Yeah, I'd love to get a special Bullion Now unboxerating knife.
We get like epic unboxing put on it or something like that. The epic unboxing knife.
I don't know. People are usually far more creative than me, so I'm open to suggestions.
Mate.
Oh, good grief. Did they nail this down or what?
This is almost as difficult to open as a Perth Mint 100 ounce bar box. Whoa, getting close there. Getting close.
All right, chuck that out of the way.
Okay. So this is what's so special about epic unboxings, is you're seeing it in real time. We usually don't fast forward unless it's something's
almost like it
really going wrong.
Yeah. Piece of paper.
Now that's going to be the Royal Mint. I mistakenly mistook. The yellow ones for maple box last time. That was a big mistake.
Yes, I'm going to need the glove back on.
Okay.
So these will be in addition to what we've already opened, would be my guess.
Okay.
Because that's what I was expecting them to be. Now, I don't have capsules this size. We might have something that will do, but it will be bigger and it'll be rattlier.
I see what you mean.
So there won't be a specific one.
It'll get a capsule, but it might move around a little bit. The gold completer coin. Oh, that is so nice. That looks a treat in gold.
It absolutely does. It's
absolutely. And, you know, with the B-roll that we'll be getting.
Do a comparison?
Yeah, absolutely. That is just
I don't reckon they could do B-roll comparisons.
I think I reckon we should challenge them to do B-roll comparisons. That's
we better look over the page.
Yeah. Fair enough. Beautiful. And of course, her match. Can you give me a little bit of a...
I'm trying.
There we go. Thank you. That, lovely. That gold one comes up a real treat.
It does. I love that. It's got a name and I keep forgetting it, the pimpling.
Someone commented on that the other day. It was like ski or something. Oh, I don't know.
Yeah.
No, I don't know.
But it looks something great.
Yep, that's
on
great.
The completer. So that's 20 of the gold completers between those two. And then this one,
we should say that's a 1 ounce size.
That's a 1 ounce gold coin.
Yep.
And then you've got this one, which will go a small way, a very small way, to satisfying that continual question we get, and the one that we got quite a bit in the live feed.
Which is?
When are you getting in? It was supposed to just pop off and work perfectly, and the blasted thing didn't.
Get the muscle into it, mate. Get that country muscle.
Yeah, it's let me down this time, I can tell you.
Yeah, you got to get your nail into it.
There we go.
There we go. Oh.
Now, before anyone gets too excited, these are not silver. These are platinum.
No, they're definitely not silver, that's for sure.
Wonder if they can do B-roll of platinum.
I wonder if they can too. I'm sure you can get B-roll of platinum in the light there. Yeah! Ah, type 2.
Type 2.
Type DOS.
So this is 1 ounce of platinum.
United States of America, 1 ounce, platinum type 2, eagle. Wicked.
You reckon this one's matchless?
This one is most definitely matchless. Yeah, there was some kind of little scuffle, you know, a couple of hundred years ago, to do with that.
And there's Lady Liberty.
Oh, man. Okay, this is my first physical look at the Type 2. What do you think?
I like it.
Okay.
I know that people are going to get upset with me.
Okay.
I actually like the design.
Okay. It's a little more... well, it's modern. We'll
Yeah,
put it that. It is more
modern.
It looks less intricate.
I don't
I
know.
would say it's different. I'm not sold on it yet, but that's just me. And this is just the first look. So
I particularly like the eagle that side. I think they've done a good job. I'm not so big on the sun rising in the background.
Okay.
But I think on a larger coin, the detailing that you would get in the feathering.
Okay.
I think, you said it's a bit plainer. I actually think the detailing is in that feathering of the eagle.
Okay.
So I actually like the coin.
All right.
I know that that's controversial and there's going to be a lot of
That's
pushback.
okay.
But
You're allowed to, beauty is in the eye of the beholder.
that's the one.
So that's the platinum coin.
Yep, so 1 ounce of a platinum.
That'll come in capsules. Again, with the similar, might move around.
We'll try and put it into capsules. They'll be, I was going to say dodgy capsules. They're not dodgy capsules.
They're
just not designed. They're 41 mil, and I think that's a third. I'd have to look it up. It's a 37 mil or 38 mil coin. So you are going to get movement in it. That's the way it is. You don't have to have a capsule with it though.
No, of course. Anything else there? Is that with that? We're done.
That is it.
Woo!
Done in a nutshell. So that answers the when are you getting the completer coin in?
Yep.
And also when are you getting a Type 2 eagle in? Although it's not the one everyone was expecting.
Are we getting the gold?
In the eagle?
And are we getting the gold Type 2 eagle, silver and gold? Or gold?
The answer is probably, but not for a while yet.
Okay. All right,
So,
fair enough. All right, cool. Another epic unboxing done by Bullion Now at bullionnow.com.au. If you're watching this within the first, obviously once it's uploaded, they'll be up on the website, available for sale from the date and exact time of the release of this video. Depends when you're watching this later on, how long they'll be up there for. Things tend to go a little more quickly these days. But platinum's a great buy at the moment, so, maybe consider that. And of course, silver is silver and it's the best metal in the world, which you and I can have a debate about if you want one day. All right, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And that's it from me.
And from me too.
See you soon.
See ya.